Baking time. Kindly subscribe to my channel. We are baking bread today. Stay tuned, watch till the as we bake as a team. Ingredients: flour, margarine, eggs, vanilla essence, baking powder, instant. In a bowl, add in all the dry ingredients and mix. In another bowl, add in margarine, sugar and mix. Add in vanilla essence, pinch of salt, eggs, yeast, and lukewarm water. Take the wet ingredients and add them to your dry ingredients mix to form a dough. Knead the dough till soft and stretchy. Apply some oil on the dough, knead it together and form a big ball. Take a clean towel and cover the dough to rise or double. After 1 hour of resting, put the dough on your surface, knead it for 2 seconds. Using a rolling pin, roll out your dough. Now, using your hands, roll in the dough to form a suitable shape for your baking pan. After setting it, the bake tin, cover it for 30 minutes to double again. Preheat your oven for 10 minutes, over 180 degrees. After 30 minutes, put your bread dough in the oven and allow it to bake till golden brown. After baking, allow it cool and slice it. Serve with tea.